Alright, in this video I want to teach you how to do fake video call on Telegram. This is it. See the magic happening here. Just calm down. In this video I'll teach you how everything works. It is very easy and understandable. If you are going to pay attention to this video to the end of it, it is very simple and understandable. In this video I'm using my second phone to call my other one. You can see I am displaying another video instead of my face. I'm not teaching you this for scamming people. I'm just teaching you this thing for an educational purpose. Don't use it to harm anybody. So yes, this is main screen. As you can see, the Telegram is there, but we are not going to use this particular Telegram to make this thing happen. Let us scroll down. We are going to pick app that's going to make this thing happen. The name of this app is VCamera. Look at it. It's right here. Then let us open the VCamera. Let us open the VCamera and make this thing happen. Watch very attentively, so that in my video you're not going to make comment that's going to pain me because you didn't pay attention. So in this video I'm going to show you how everything works. So the app is going to display these ads. If you don't subscribe, if you don't buy the premium version, so it's going to display this ad. But don't worry, after displaying this ad, you pick this app, you scroll until you reach Telegram. You're looking for Telegram now. So even though I've already added Telegram, but all this app, you can add it there. It's just like a clone app. You can see a road clone app. You can clone your app, open your Facebook here, and do whatever thing you want. This app is very good, and it wants to buy the premium version, even though I don't have money to pay for the premium version. But it is very effective. So all this app, you can add it there. Watch very attentively, so that you will not miss anything, any single step I'm taking. So that you won't miss any single step I'm taking on this video. See my Telegram. I've already added Telegram, but I just show you. You press this plus sign button, you can add another app you want to add. So this is my Telegram. But we are going to pick another. We're going to pick a video. Just place these three icon at the right corner. Press it for us to pick video to display while making this call. These three icon here at top. Yes, you can see premium, advanced feature, visual camera setting, Google framework, kill all app. If you press kill all app, you are going to sign out all the app you have already signed here. Rate us about the GT hub, and share contact us, switch to normal settings. So and QA, all this is function that this app have. So we are going to press this visual camera. I'm going to visual camera setting. This is what we are going to use. It's going to display ads again because I didn't subscribe to the premium version. So don't worry, I'm going to quit this video. I press this, the video will get on. Then you can see visual camera setting, protect your camera privacy. This is all the camera setting. You can use a local video, disable, use real camera, advanced, use local video, use network video streaming, use local picture. So the first, I've chosen the two, that's why it display for the first. I've chosen number 2, use local video. So but that's not all. We are going to select a video here. So let us pick video. We are going to display while calling people. Let us pick video. We are going to display while calling people, while making this call. So let us pick video we're going to use to do this call. Yes, I'm going to pick any video from my gallery now. Any video I wish like. Any video I feel like to display here, I can display it. I don't know anyone to pick. I don't know the one to pick. Let me select any video. Audio. I'm going to select any video of my choice. I've selected a video here. I selected video. Then if you enable this audio, the sound, the person you are calling will be hearing the sound of the video, but you're supposed to disable. So turn off the screen. Then let us click on the Telegram. The only thing that bothers me, the only thing that's no good is that this app to display is, but that doesn't mean anything because the app works perfectly. So this is my Telegram, as you can see. Let me call my mother. Now I'm calling my second phone. As you can see, it's ringing. I'll pick it. Then see the video that I selected is now showing. So if this is watchable for you, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell to get notified each time I upload new video like this or new video better than this one. This channel, all I'm showing you is how to make impossibility things to be possible. Thank you for watching. I love you.